Hello guys, and welcome back to another short video. So in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix the slow and lagging problem in your Roblox. All what you have to do is simple. Just open Roblox and choose any server you want. For example, I choose this server. It's a cars server. Now all what you have to do is go to the top here, click on Roblox logo, go to settings, and now make sure to copy me. First thing, make the shift lock switch off and make the camera mode classic and the movement mode on keyboard plus mouse, and then choose the camera sensitivity on as lower as possible and make the full screen off and the graphics mode on manual and the graphics quality as lower as possible, and then turn off those three options. Then click on resume and go to the top here. If it's not fixed, click here to make the screen like this, and then try to play like this. I think it's gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video until the very end.